How's it going, guys? Matthew Gonzalez here with our newly signed driver, Davey Batta. Davey had a successful stint at the 2025 IFMAR Worlds using the XR10 products to power him to second place, and now he is a part of our official race team. So, Davey, how did your first weekend go on the Hobbywing team?
Yeah, pretty amazing. Took the win in 200 modified using the XR10 G3 ESC and the Hobbywing V10 6.5 motor with a 12.5 titanium rotor. Power felt pretty smooth. Definitely happy with the stuff so far.
Good, yeah. You've ran for Hobbywing in the past, like before. Now, as a modified driver, and growing up and like maturing throughout your racing, what do you think, has changed the most from back then to now?
Yeah, I mean, definitely back then it was more just stock, so it didn't really matter. It was more like slow speed stuff.
Yeah.
The stock motors weren't as fast, so it didn't really matter like what the power was back then. And now it's more about, with modified, more smoothness, you want the most smooth speed out there, most easy to drive, so yeah.
Awesome, yeah. Congrats again on an awesome start to being a part of Hobbywing team. It's glad that I can now talk about you officially running our stuff. So yeah, thanks again, guys. This is also Davey Batta, our newest driver. If you guys have any questions or concerns about the product, we are more than happy to answer them. Davey has Facebook and Instagram. I'm sure he will answer them. And you can always email me, Charlie, or Spencer at our respective emails. So what is one of your favorite products or things that Hobbywing has?
I really like the Bluetooth module for the ESC settings. I like how easy it is to quickly change the settings on whether it's your start power or overall the speed of and smoothness of the car. So I would say that's my favorite thing.
Awesome. Yeah, you can download that on the Google Play Store or on the Apple Store. Just type in Hobbywing Link V2 and it should pop up under all your favorite application like services.